Okay, first of all, let us introduce ourselves. My name is Bintan Dwi Imam Dermawan, which is the leader of this team and also backend developer. Next was Acel Ferawati Silitrona. She was our business analyst. Next was Devika Humaira. She was our front-end developer. Next was Fajri Nur Prasetyo. He was our backend developer. Next was Swandi Sianturi. He was our UI UX designer. So without any further delay, let's jump to the presentation. Okay, so the content of this slide was the contribution of all our members, starting from identifying stakeholder taken up by Acel to creating application interface taken by Devika Humaira. Next was creating application design taken by Swandi. And next, creating ER diagram was taken by me. To creating a database was taken by Fajri. To a series of testing conducted by all of our members. The next step will be explained by Acel.
Okay, this is the general description. A digital document submission web application that serves to facilitate residents in submitting administrative documents. This application can be used to submit several types of documents that can be selected by residents. Residents simply fill out the form and upload the supporting document. If the data meets the requirements, staff will grant access to print the complete document in PDF format. This application allows residents to apply for documents at the sub-district office, such as business certificate, change of address certificate, house ownership certificate, death certificate, and certificate of financial hardship. This is more effective and efficient in terms of time. This is the application features, a web-based application that allows citizens to submit administrative documents online. The process is faster because citizens only need to fill out the form and upload the supporting document. Then the administrator verify them and the result can be downloaded in PDF format. The major feature is online document submission form, upload supporting document, track application status like in process, approved or reject. Then automatically print document with a unique number, application history per resident, and the last one is user roles, is resident, staff, and admin.
So there are 18 functional requirements in this application. So the register, login and log out. So and citizen can update their personal data, select and submit the document they want, monitor the status of the document, and they can download PDF result. For the officer, they can check and validate the document from citizen. They can also send PDF result to citizen and view the history. For the administrator, they can add account and data officer.
Okay, so here are our non-functional requirements. So first we have safety security requirement is to protecting our personal data that has been sent by the user. Second, our usability requirement. Our application uses Indonesian as the main language. Third is space requirement. The maximum document size that can be submitted by the user is only 1 megabyte. Last, operational requirement. Our application operating hours depend on the working hours of the sub-district, which is from Monday to Friday, 7 a.m. to 4 p.m. So next we move to the demonstration. So first the residents have to register their account before they can submit any document. They have to fill name, email, and create their own password. Okay, now that they already registered, they have to log in as a resident. So, have to fill out their own personal data before they submit any document. Okay, now that they have already their own data in our website, they can already submit whatever document they want to submit. For the example, here is surat keterangan tidak mampu. And also every document has their own requirement, so not every document has the same requirement. Okay, now that they already submit this document to the officer, so the residents have to wait whether the officers want to decline or to agree to the document that has been sent. So now we are gonna log in as an officer. Okay, so this is the view of the officers. This is the document that has been submitted by 1D, which is the resident. So the officers can look the type of document that has been submitted and all the requirements. Okay. So this is the status. They can choose whether they want to agree or to refuse the document. So we're gonna agree. We can also give some reason why we choose to decline or to agree. Okay. Alright, the document is already been agreed. So now we are gonna look as a resident. We can see that the status right here is already been agreed. So the officer will send the document that has been agreed back to the resident. Okay, this is the final case. The resident can download the result that has been agreed by the officer. So they can download the result on PDF format.
So this is the test result from the major feature. Number 1 is register and login. The major feature number 2 is to fill and edit personal data. The next is document submission. And number 4, submission tracking. And the last one is download and approve a document.
Product revenge to core subject. The first is core software engineering instruction. In this course, we learn how to make a report and engineer to the technical project. Next, the algorithm and programming. We learn the basic of programming and we learn the basic of programming to understanding the work of flow, the project. Next, the discrete mathematics. We studied combinatorial, functional, and APG part for the encryption of password. Next, the software requirement analysis and specification. We learn how to identify stakeholder for the electrician requirement for the developing project. Next is the web-based programming. The web-based programming we learn how to make a front end and back end using PHP and JavaScript. Next, last is introduction to database. We learn how to implement the database for the backend and the application. Thanks you.
Okay, this is a scientific poster of our projects, which contain our member, our project manager, our general description, our filter application, our conclusion, and last, our website page. Okay, so that's the conclusion of our presentation. We apologize for any shortcoming. We, the PBLTRPL 104B4 group, would like to take our lead. That's all. So thank you.